Hello everyone, and welcome back. I haven't started the forklift here, or the telehandler, in 2 years, and I had to get a new starter for it because the old one, which I knew was getting tired, wouldn't turn it over fast enough to get enough pressure to fire it up. So yesterday I put in a new starter, and after 2 years, I mean, it had to crank over for maybe 20 seconds and it fired right off. I come back this morning now and it started right up, so that was nice. The hydraulics were a little slow, but they did start moving, so I'm going to make sure they work good here right now. And then I'm going to back this out of here. I need to pick up my basket and just get this ready to be transported up to the farmhouse. Everything seems to work except for my front fork setup here will go one way, but it won't go back the other. When I push the button that does that, you can hear the hydraulics trying to work. So I don't know if it's the actual ram up here or what. I mean, it isn't going to affect me getting it up to the farmhouse, but yesterday there was other hydraulics that didn't work at first, but then after it ran for a while, they came back to life. You can hear it trying, but it's not moving it. It'll move it the other way. Now let's see if we can get forward and reverse to work on it. That's nice with that new starter in it. Before, after you ran it for a while and it warmed up, it would not start. It would airlock on you, or I think it just wouldn't turn it over. And now with the new starter, this has been running now for, I don't know, hour and 15 minutes maybe, and it started right up again. I see I do have a hydraulic leak here. I don't know if it's one of the hoses here. You can't really see in there, but or if it's a fitting, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. I will just make sure it has hydraulic fluid in it and then get it scheduled for a 18-wheeler to come in here to pick this up and get it to the farmhouse, and I'll worry about it then. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I will see you guys on the next video.